First solo
This is
delivery at
technically my first
21.
load by myself. That is the title. That is true. You clicked the right thing. I am doing my first load by myself after getting out of training. Of this, I'm heading on to do a pickup. That'll be it for this one. I don't really want to make this too long. Truck tour on the way though. Hey, ain't much right now, and I gotta clean it and everything. Everything right, but it's coming. Alright, it's on the way. You know, just be patient.